Hey guys, Billy Bosco here, founder of the MoveMeMovement, and today we're going to be installing a swivel seat for the passenger side from a company called SwivelRUS. Now the word on the street is this should take as little as half an hour, and I think it's because of the in-depth instructions they give you. Just a whopping whole sheet of paper, 4 instructions, super easy to do, allegedly. So let me guys show you what this looks like. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you unplug your battery. There's a bunch of some wires under the seat that, if you hit the wrong way, may cause the airbags to inflate. So just to be safe, we're going to take the battery out, unplug it. My van is 2018, so the battery is right under the seats here. I just use the flat screwdriver to undo the hitches over here. It slides right out. Battery is right here. All you're gonna do is unclip this and pop this right off. Easier said than done. And then just tuck that right down there, out of sight, out of mind. Good. All right. To get the seat off of this, you need a T40 torque bolt wrench, is I believe what they call it online. There's 2 in the front here, and there's 2 back here, so 6 total. Just put it in, crank it out, and then take it off. So the bolts are out. The chair can come out right now, but before we do that, there's a bunch of wires here that are all connected under the van or under the seat. There's some zip ties here we gotta cut. We gotta free up these yellow things and disconnect them, and then the chair comes right out and the swivel goes right on. Alright guys, all the zip ties are cut off. These yellow, or these cords that connect the airbag, they are thankfully color coordinated, so it makes it really easy to remember where to put it back. So now we just take the chair right off and put the swivel right on. Guys, the chair's off. Take the swivel, lay it on right over the same screws you just unscrewed. Everything lines up, 2 in the front, 4 in the back. You take the screws they give you and you screw it in. So to screw it in, guys, you have to screw it in at the base over here. So you have to get under this. So it helps if you take the swivel and turn it good 30 degrees so it opens up things you gotta screw in. Alright guys, the chair is on, the swivel's attached. The last thing to do is just to screw it back in place, and then we're done. Alright guys, the seat is installed. The last thing to do is to reclip the wires, zip tie them back up where you found them, and then test the swivel out. Alright guys, it's installed. The last thing to do is to test it out, make sure it works. Push down, bring it all the way around, put some grease into it, bring it around town, and we're good. So that's it guys. That's how you install the swivel. I believe we did it in like 35-40 minutes, so easy to do. You can do it by yourself. Just make sure you have zip ties and the right tools to go in and do it. It makes it go a lot faster. That's it guys.